so happy to see you again. Welcome to Tito Time. We are learning about the 5 food groups. And so far, we learned about the first 2 groups. Do you remember what they are? Good memory! Vegetables and fruits. Today, we will learn about the 3rd food group.
Hello, Tito. Hello, amigos.
Hello, Mr. Funny.
I'm ready for the 3rd food group.
We were just talking about that. The 3rd food group is grains. Hello, Tiki. Can you please tell us about grains? Absolutely. Grains are tiny, hard, and dry seeds from cereal crops. Some examples are wheat, rice, and corn. The grain food group includes products that are made with grains, like bread, tortillas, and pasta. There are refined grains and whole grains. Refined grains lose some important nutrients when they are processed. This is why eating whole grains is a better option for most people. Thank you, Tiki. You're welcome, Tito.
Wait, did you see that? The plants that we just saw are the plants where grains come from?
Yes, that's right.
Oh. Did you know that? I need to see that again.
Let me ask Tiki. Hey, Tiki, can you show us a rice plant? Yes, here it is. Wow!
Hey, Tiki, can we see a corn plant now?
Absolutely. Wow, look at that.
That's incredible.
Wow. Are you ready to try grains, Mr. Funny?
Oh yes, I was born ready.
Let's try something new. Welcome back to our section, Trying Something New. Mr. Funny is learning all about food, and today he's going to try some grains.
Hey, Tito, these grains are a little strange. They are very hard and don't have much flavor.
Oh no, Mr. Funny, we don't eat raw rice. To eat rice, you have to cook it first.
Oops, my bad. I should have waited. Sorry.
Don't worry, it's okay, Mr. Funny. Look, I have some cooked rice right here. This one on this side is raw rice, but this one on this side is cooked rice.
Let's try it. It has a soft texture and it's so moist. Rice is good.
Yes, I like rice too. Do you like rice?
Yes.
Good.
What is this brown square right here?
This brown square is a slice of whole grain bread. Do you know how to say brown in Spanish? Brown in Spanish is café. Can you say café? Excellent!
So, bread is a grain?
No, bread is made with grains. This one is a whole grain bread, and it's made with whole wheat. You can eat bread in a lot of ways. You can make sandwiches, you can make French toast, or you can just eat it plain.
Okay, here we go. I like the flavor, and it's so soft.
Here we have a corn tortilla. Tortillas are a food from Mexico. You can use tortillas to make all kinds of things. But my favorite thing to eat are tacos. Have you ever had tacos? They are so delicious.
I want to try tortillas. Tortillas are soft and very good. I can't wait to eat some of those tacos you're talking about.
Yes, we can eat tacos one day.
Yes.
Trying grain products was so much fun, wasn't it? Today, we learned about the third food group, grains. Grains are tiny, hard, and dry seeds. A lot of products you see at the store are made with grains. There are refined grains and whole grains. Eating whole grains is a better option for most people. We are learning so much. And in the next video, we will learn about protein foods. Yes! Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Adiós, amigos.